Hindi ka tumingin. Sa'yo siya. Sa'yo siya. Pag tumingin ka kay madam ka. Ba't ka tumingin doon? I move the red. Honest.
Excuse po. Salamat.
Sabihin mo, mag-repost kay madam. Sabihin ko na ba? Sabihin ko na ba? Pakita natin. Repost ko kayo ni madam.
Ito at yun ay ang tumulong sa komunidad na kailangan ng pangangalaga at pansin. This is our commitment to give back to the community we serve. Dahil naniniwala kami na ang komunidad na ito ay nasa puso nating lahat.
Magandang gabi po. Let's give another round of applause for Mr. Jed Madela. Good evening, everyone. Ako po si Janine Gutierrez, and it's such a pleasure to be hosting tonight's very prestigious event where we celebrate the visionaries, the storytellers, the dreamers, and the doers. All the extraordinary people who bring stories to life on the big screen.
Magandang gabi, Eddies. Ako po si Jake Ersito, and I am happy and excited to share the stage with these two very lovely and gorgeous co-hosts of mine here at the spectacular Marriott Grand Ballroom of the Newport World Resorts. And most importantly, I'm honored to be part of this event that celebrates the icons and the movers in the industry.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako naman po si Gabby Garcia, and I'll be one of your hosts for tonight's Eddies. Hindi lang talento ang ating bibigyang parangal. This evening is also dedicated to those who have pushed the boundaries and made a difference with their generous hearts and unforgettable contributions to our community.
That's right. And so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to
the 7th Entertainment Editor's Choice.
Jerry Olea, Speed's External Vice President from PEP.
Geraldine Festi Trilliana, Speed Secretary from Malaya Business Insight.
Miss Marie Chris Valdez, Speed Secretary from Hataw.
Dondon Sermino, Speed's Treasurer from Abante.
Tina Ventura, Speed's Assistant Treasurer from Daily Tribune.
Nikki Wang, Speed's PRO from Manila Standard.
Irvin Santiago, Speed's PRO from Bandera.
And of course, we would also like to acknowledge the founding members and past presidents of Speed, the late Isa V. Red.
And that's none other than the President of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors,
Miss Salve Asis.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, sa mga producer, directors, writers, artists, at lahat ng ating mga kasamahan sa industriya. It is my honor to present to you and welcome you all to the 7th Eddies Awards.
Up to this day with my co-actors, of course my director, and I feel like a supporting actor plays such an important role dahil of course kailangan mo suportahan ng lead, but you also support the lead without dimming your own light. So yun ang kaimportansya ng isang supporting actor talaga.
Yeah, and like she said, parang for me it's all about the collaborative spirit.
Yes.
When you're able to bounce off of each other to lift the scene and not yourselves.
Correct.
Tama. Ang ganda ng mga sagot nyo. And I think our next presenters would also agree, syempre with their experience in lead and supporting roles. Presenting the Eddie's Choice for Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress, please welcome Elijah Canlas.
The awards of our next categories, please welcome to the Eddies, Versatile Actor, Entrepreneur, Filmmaker, Mr. R.S. Francisco, and Actor, Singer, Producer, James Reed.
Good evening everyone. Restrictions, pero ngayon, we can definitely
Watch ng mga series at mga pelikula, pero ngayon may mga bago ng pelikula na talagang pumatok sa takilya. Bumalik na rin ang mga Pinoy sa lahat ng sinehan.
kaya naman masasabi nating bago mga bayani ang mga nagtataguyod pa rin ng pelikulang Sariling Atin. This year, we celebrate these new box office heroes who played a crucial role in reviving cinema attendance significantly, helping our film industry bounce back.
To present the Eddie's Box Office Heroes Awards, we have the Chairman and CEO of the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Direk Joey Reyes.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Together with Eugene Asis, it's an honor to present the first Box Office Hero Award to one of the biggest Filipino movies of 2023. This movie about a vengeful virtual assistant premiered on September last year. It was directed by Peterson Vargas and produced by Star Cinema. Together with Miss Dolly De Leon, our box office hero is Catherine Bernardo in A Very Good Girl. On behalf of Catherine Bernardo,